car crash can be frightening and distressing at the same time, right? And even worse, being blamed for a crash that is not your fault can be stressful. Well, that is when a dash camera becomes your savior. We've come up with the top 6 dashboard cams with the best features you will like. The first one on the list is Nextbase 622 GW, priced at $499. Let us look at what is special about this product. Well, this dash cam comes with an ultra clear 4K recording at 30 FPS to capture those finer details or number plates and produce stunning results. Its rear camera module can still record in full HD quality of 1080p at 30 FPS, covering your car from multiple angles. And its what 3-word integration provides your precise global location even when you are offline to help emergency services or friends locate you quickly. I mean, isn't that great? Plus, its C22 GW reduces your vehicle's vibrations and improves footage clarity to ensure a super smooth, crystal clear image. And it allows you to see finer details such as number plates, signs, and crucial information. Not just that, its super slow motion feature will enable you to view your footage in slow motion to see all the necessary details. What was your favorite feature about this dash cam? Let us know in the comment section below. Being said that, let us move to the next product we have on our list. The second favorite of ours is the Garmin Cam Mini. This dash camera mini captures 1920 by 1080 resolution video up to 30 FPS. It features a wide 140-degree lens, a built-in microphone, and a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity. What more, you ask? It can automatically record and save captured footage of incidents. And the feature we found the most interesting is that its parking mode automatically begins recording if motion is detected when your vehicle is parked. Plus, its auto sync enables you to control and play back footage from up to 4 cameras in the Garmin Drive app for iOS and Android. Not just that, its Wi-Fi connectivity allows you to upload the saved videos to your iOS or Android device via the Garmin Drive app. And its included dual USB adapters enables you to power the dashcam while charging your devices like smartphones or tablets. Do you think this is the right dashcam for you? Well, before you decide on one, we would like to take you through more options. Next on the list we have is the Q800 Pro Wi-Fi Dashcam from THINKWARE. It uses a 5.14 megapixel 2.8-inch Sony XMR-R Starvis image sensor and captures 2560 by 1440 resolution video at 30 FPS. Its parking mode enables low light recording, time-lapse recording, impact detection while your vehicle is parked, motion detection, and an energy saving mode. And its advanced driving assistance system can alert the driver of potential forward collisions, lane departures, and front vehicle departures. Sounds more advanced than the one previously mentioned, isn't it? Let me tell you what more it has to offer. This comes with a built-in GPS antenna for tracking your vehicle's location, speed, and direction of travel with support up to 20 geofence zones. And in its 3-axis G-sensor can trigger emergency recording and saves capture video 10 seconds before and after the incident. Impressed much? Then don't forget to check the product link in the description box below to grab its price of $329. Next in line is yet another dashcam from Nextbase for $259. This Nextbase 522 GW dash cam comes with an Alexa built-in feature and utilizes voice commands to play music, check the weather, control smart home devices. Its integrated 3-inch IPS touchscreen offers an interactive interface and high clarity. And its emergency SOS features an emergency response to alert the emergency services to your location in the event of an accident. Plus, its high-quality 1440p video recording allows you to capture sharp, high-definition footage at 30 FPS. And its 40-degree viewing angle provides expansive shooting coverage with minimal edge-to-edge distortion. Moreover, its Bluetooth 4.2 and Wi-Fi connectivity will let you automatically synchronize files to your phone. And it also renders a microSD cord support of up to 128 GB and expands the camera's storage and recording capabilities. We pretty much liked all of its features. Now you tell us what you liked the most about it. If you use this already, let us know why you will recommend this to others. The last one on our list is the MIO MIVUE C330, priced at $103. Building on the design of the previous dashcams, MIO has figured out exactly what a dashcam should be: compact and discreet. It's incredibly small at 51.2 by 62.6 by 37.4 millimeters and only at 59.5 grams. And when coupled with an all-black design, it makes the MIVUE C330 pretty hard to spot from outside the car. But it's not just the small dimensions of the dashcam that makes it great. The windscreen mount features a ball joint that attaches directly to the body of the dashcam, making it more compact and able to sit higher on the windscreen. The MIVUE C330 sports built-in GPS and will provide navigational data on videos, but what is even cooler about it is that using your location and a database of speed cameras, the C330 can alert you to upcoming speed cameras and the local speed limit. It'll even provide a countdown on screen until you reach the speed camera, allowing you to gently adjust your speed if necessary. There's a small built-in battery in the C330, allowing you to use it wirelessly for a short amount of time. This is ideal for collisions. You can quickly remove the camera from the mount and use the dashcam's photo mode to get photos and complete with location data, time and date for insurance purposes. Oh, and like many other dashcams, the C330 offers auto power on technology that will automatically begin recording when you turn the ignition on, and will turn itself off once you turn off the engine. Hope you enjoyed the video. For more, subscribe to us. Don't forget to check the description box below for the product links. Have a great day.